All right, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, I do present you today Pepe coin. We are still onto that moon mission. We're still holding strong. We're still defeating the spaghetti hands, and we're still pushing through the stratosphere, looking for the time stone. And now, Pepe coin again, a new all-time high, headed for the moon. Now 401 just got hit, and you know where we are heading next now. That 0001. That's where we get the moon, maybe higher, but we stay humble in this channel. We do not make demands. We do not act certain. We always stay humble. We take what the markets gives us. I'm still holding. We've been through a lot, guys. If you've been here from the beginning, we've been a lot. You let me know in the comment section, how many Pepe coin are you holding? How many are you holding? We've been through a lot. We've been through a lot. Now, we've seen Pepe coin listed on Binance, huge sell-off, a lot of spaghetti hands and all those scam coins. My God. They left the market. I remember the day I made the video here, like, guys, I'm buying more. This is double bottom. Although back then it wasn't obvious, and I was still kind of thinking maybe this could go lower, but I was, you know what am I saying? It's a bull market. It's a bull market. Bitcoin is raging. We got that Bitcoin ETF and we got all that, and it was an obvious low. We got listed on Binance. That doesn't happen for no reason. And we kept pushing through. And here we are today, guys. Here we are. So press that like button, subscribe for more. If you've missed Pepe coin, we got more meme coins for you. Do not worry. Do not worry. But for those that are holding Pepe coin, congratulations. You can rest. You can relax. I'm still holding. We're still holding. We're waiting for higher. Anyways, guys, let's start with today's video. We're going to be going through some meme coins, some Pepe coin, and some other meme coins. And as usual, this is not financial advice. This show is for entertainment and some education. Now, for those interested into Pepe coin technical analysis, so what we got here today, you see the moon rocket. I'm going to keep showing you this moon rocket forever. Hate it or love it. This moon rocket is going with us. We going there, sir. We getting there. We getting rich, sir. We getting rich. How are you doing with that wallpaper? So what it looks like now, Pepe coin just broke. I'm gonna keep it on the daily, simple, easy, no Bollinger Bands or no crazy shit. We're just gonna keep it simple. Keep it simple and light. So we got that previous high from the 9th of March, which was the previous all-time high. We just took that, right? So it seems like Pepe coin now is taking high after high, as the disbelief is still ongoing, as people still think now Pepe coin is gonna drop. Now we have it at $4 billion in its market cap. Dogwifhat 3, FLOKI 2.5, BONK at 2. Even, which makes me bullish on BONK. I'm gonna get back to BONK now because I do think now it's time for BONK. But let's get done with this quick now for those that are curious. So we can see the uptrend is still going. I do not think this is gonna break. We're still gonna go there. We're still headed. There is no stopping Pepe coin for now. For those that are not on Pepe coin, boys, now you got two options. You really can't do much. If you came in late to the bull market, you have to admit you came late, right? Add comment below. I should know how many people are late to this bull market. Like, we don't know. I'm just talking to the people that have been around here, following me along. We've been through a lot. So for those that are really wishing on to getting some of that Pepe game, some of that sauce, I've been saying dips are for buying, and since then every dip was a good dip buy zone, and we're gonna still keep going. So dips are still for buying. I do think Pepe coin is at least going for 10 billion, which is gonna be the shocker. I do think it's gonna go even higher, 40, 50, even more. So we're not gonna want to spoil it now. We want to keep it a surprise, you know, because when it's a surprise, then everyone is surprised and everyone can FOMO again. So the surprises are what people like, and like makes people FOMO, basically. You know, if you understand this alone, possibly you can make it in the script space. Anyway, so that's it with Pepe coin. We're still holding. We're headed for at least 10 billion first, and that's gonna be the lot. That 10 billion is gonna be like, maybe the price is gonna do this, you know, like 10 slowly like that, and then 10 billion, and then from 10 billion is gonna be quick, because now I even noticed on YouTube more people are looking for Pepe coin. So the higher we go, the more people notice Pepe coin, the more YouTubers also start talking about it, and it's just like organic growth from there, you know, until we reach the epic euphoria time where people are gonna start to think maybe it's time to start selling. Now already people are possibly started selling here, you know, the weak hands, the spaghettis are probably starting to sell here. But as you can see, the buyers are way stronger. Buyers are goddamn strong. So I do think this is gonna keep going up for now. Up for now, I'm still holding, and I am holding from way lower prices. I've been buying from like $200 million in its market cap. Now it's like 4 billion, right? So it's like 20x now for me, and I'm still holding. I want more. You know, I'm aiming for more. I remember the day when it was around $200 million, and I made the video and I told it could go to that 40 or 15. It's 100x from here. You know, I'm guessing few of you listened, but that's what I did. You know, I accumulated around 200 million, and now we're up 20x. Anyways, the question here is, would Pepe coin go higher? Yeah, like obviously everything is possible, right? So like if we look at Doge now, right? So in the previous bull cycle, this is 2021. Now this is a perfect representation of what Pepe coin is gonna do, right? Or at least what we think Pepe coin can do, right? So you can see there were a lot of fake outs, right? So usually these coins, they do that, right? So this was the December, end of 2020. We've seen a top, right? A lot of people were thinking this is it. We made enough profits. Let's get out. So this was around a 300% move. That's why I remember this too well, because I was one of the people buying this and selling into this top. And I was thinking I'm like a genius. I got into this like on Binance, you know, so it was on Binance 2019. I got into it. It did a 2-3x and I was like, damn it, I'm such a genius. And then it rallied again and made, you know what, here a 35x or like 37x, right? And I thought, oh my god, that's it, like it's possibly the top. And then it did another push and it ended up being a 200 over 200x from the time I bought back then. So it's not gonna be a quick straight line, and some things could happen during the way, so you know, like you don't know, like with Shiba Inu there was burnings, with Dogecoin there was obviously there was Elon Musk. You don't know what's gonna happen, right? So it's really hard to expect how people are gonna react to all those things. But I do think we're still here with Pepe coin. We're still here, you know, like most people just around like 4 or 5x now from the low. So I do think we're somewhere here, right around that 4 or 5x level, and then we're gonna see the last push. It's like when everyone is super rich, you know, and then here we're gonna see that massive euphoria and everyone on Pepe coin is screaming to the moon, and like people are going crazy, and people will start to think this is the top. So like usually we have most major signals or top signals like that, you know, like people euphoria, people think that's it, it's over, they start selling, like the early buyers start selling, and here we get new money entering, but even more euphoria. So and that gives the last squeeze out. So and that was the last squeeze to complete a 200x on Dogecoin from the previous cycle. So I do think we're gonna see something like this on Pepe coin. We just have to wait now to see what's going on. That's why, guys, every day I'm gonna show you the freaking rocket ship to help you calm down, you know, because I missed a 200x the previous cycle on Dogecoin, right? So I'm not gonna miss it this time on Pepe. I'm holding, right? Let me know in the comment section how many Pepe coins are you holding. Now what we got? FLOKI still going higher. It's a shocker. I am shocked. I've even got way early on FLOKI. You know, I got way early on FLOKI. Still a shocker to me now today, and I do think it's still gonna go higher. Now it's crazy, guys. Like even me, I'm shocked, which is good. You know, like this is what I'm looking for. Like even a strong believer is getting shocked right now. That's perfect. You know, that's perfect. That's Polish. You know, once it becomes the norm, you know, once everyone start to believe and start to think, okay, meme coins are easy gains. Everyone rush. Everyone starts buying meme coins, which is like now where I think 25% there. Like still there is a lot of insecurity around meme coins, which is good, right? So that's what we want. We want the surprise effect. We don't want everyone to be certain. I'm gonna put 10k sir on FLOKI, and it best does 100x from here because I want to be a millionaire. You know, once we get there, then it's done. So as long as people are still thinking, oh my god, this, and even like the guys, the OGs are still surprised by these numbers, then still early, right? Still early now. Still people are thinking maybe this, maybe that, maybe this, maybe that. Now today we have Coquino now still kind of like around struggling with that $400 million market cap. Now as soon as gonna break above that 400 million, I do think it's gonna run. It's gonna run. Like now, you can see now that FLOKI was really a late bloomer. We got also Dogwifhat like out of nowhere. Like this is the biggest shocker out there now. So BONK Coin looks like I'm actually thinking to long this now. This looks pretty bullish because now previously we've seen Pepe coin break in, you know, rallying, and then BONK Coin followed. So I do think BONK Coin is about to do it too. You know, BONK Coin looks like you want to do it. So how much we got here? So that's like what, 20%? Yeah, 20%. Maybe a long here. I do hold spot, so I'm covered there. But anyways, I think this is going up. This BONK Coin is gonna rush next. This is the next one to rally. It's usually how it works. Now we got at WIF, I do think people are gonna be looking now, okay, so which one is still kind of hasn't done it yet, you know, and they're gonna be like maybe FLOKI, maybe BONK, maybe CONK. So we'll see. Now there is this Baby Doge, you know, I think Baby Doge has got it in him now. You know, Baby Doge got a huge community from the previous cycle. So if they are coming back and buying Shiba, now Shiba as well is pulling back, you know, Shiba is pulling back, Doge is rallying. So we can see now Pepe coin is the strongest meme coin. I've been saying this for like how long now, like over a year. So I do think Pepe coin is the strongest, and it is still king. Pepe is king, right? So also a lot of it's on E, so that also adds up to the deal that Pepe coin got going. So now we get Snake. Now today I added a bit more Snake, I added a bit more Grok, I added a bit more AI Doge. Now I still have a lot of Toshi, but I added a bit more of those. Now if you've been following, you know those are the top meme coins I'm looking at now for like the big holdings, you know. So I do think now we still have Myro, although now Myro has done a new all-time high as well. We got Kokinu, still undervalued, like Kok, Myro, when still not bad. I think now it's holding well, you know. We still gotta have to see a shakeout first to see how it's gonna react to it, but I do think it's not bad now. Now it's kind of like convincing me a bit. But I do think Snake, Grok, AI Doge, Toshi still my biggest holdings. I'm buying a bit more now. Snake, I'm selling some utility coins, you know. I bought Fetch and INJ previous last year, way low, made few X's in there. So I'm kind of taking half profits, buying some of that Snake, some of that AI Doge, and some of that no, I already got LADYS. So LADYS were up now 6 or 7x from our entry on my Discord. So you can join my Discord, link in the description. It's free to join. We get on early on plays, right? So we get in early there, and we stick to it until it does a crazy move. So we got seen now, we've seen meme LADYS. You know, I've been talking about this forever. Now people suddenly start talking about it on YouTube. Now I see YouTubers talking about LADYS, and I'm like, oh my god, man, oh my god. So maybe I should bring a new coin, guys. You tell me which coin should the comment with the most likes would be the next meme coin I'm just gonna keep talking about in every video, you know, until it pumps. Like we did this with LADYS, literally, and with Pepe coin. So we kept talking about Pepe coin and LADYS, and it kept pumping. So I don't know, man, I don't know. So like LADYS now, I want to see it take MAGA. So LADYS is still bullish. It's gonna keep. You see how I'll speak to the universe now. LADYS is still bullish. Bullish lady. We got more coin, not bad, doing well. Now Optimus AI as well. Now we got Kimbo finally showing up to the scene. Now you guys want to know when we started buying this? Around $5 million in its market cap. So I don't know, like maybe you are holding Pepe coin, you are already in profits. Good, I'm on profits, we're good in profits, but I know some people are still sidelined, some people are still in disbelief today, you know. So you know what's gonna happen, guys? What I think is gonna happen is we're gonna have Bitcoin, MicroStrategy coin at like 120k or something, and then people will come more. I'm sure there are gonna be more people coming, joining and watching videos and asking me which coins, you know. At that time I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like literally now, like every day these coins are going up, and I don't know what's gonna happen, you know. Like a lot of people are gonna come late to this. A lot of people are gonna come late. Now I do think Kimbo is not banned. Now 35 could do a 200 mil, could do that. So keep in mind we got in early, we got around 5 mil. So it's still not bad. It's listed on some exchanges. It could get picked up, right? It could get picked up. So keep that in mind. I'm still accumulating Kimbo. Kimbo is a good pick in my eyes now. So like Vita Inu, bruv. Vita Inu doesn't want to do shit. Like they got in their Twitter page, they got the only meme coin with utility that didn't move at all. Didn't move at all. Now there are still some lower cap meme coins. Obviously there are still some. I'm looking, but recently now, guys, we are holding and we're still buying the dips on Black Hawk and Dogwifhat. We're still doing that. We're still doing that. Today there was a nice dip on both of them. We're still getting there. That's how we got on to Grok the first time, right? Grok, where is Grok? So Grok is an interesting coin, you know. I'm really bullish on Grok, right? So hear me out. So look at what Grok did, right? So Grok came out in the previous meme coin season. So there was a previous meme coin season where Pepe coin rallied and all that. So back here at what the chart is, this happened here. So this happened. This was the first meme coin season, not the first meme coin season, but basically this was the start of the meme coin season last year. So Pepe coin appeared on, got listed on Binance, and this was it. So we've seen a lot of meme coins appearing. So we've seen Grok rallying, right, and then slow sell off. And I remember here, I told my guys, I told my people on Discord, it's time to start buying. It's time to start buying. You know what? Like I wasn't bullish enough when it got here. So this weather, I was like, I forgot about it. Basically, like I'm watching a lot of coins every day, so it's hard to keep track of all of them. So I wasn't bullish enough because I didn't know the potential like Grok as a meme could be very powerful once we get that full-blown bull market, right? So like that last part of the bull market, those last few months where Bitcoin is like maybe 220k or something, and this is gonna be the most logical step for most people to buy, you know, because Grok is like the most stupid investment because it's like it doesn't take you much to think about why should you buy it, right? So it doesn't let you think too much, right? So it's Grok AI, Elon Musk, and that's it, all related, you know, although they are not officially related, you know, so it's really unrelated, but like related in people's mind. That's why we're still accumulating. I'm still accumulating, although I'm mad at myself now I did not get even more, because this thing is gonna run, probably is gonna run harder. Anyways, guys, you let me know what you want to see on the next videos. So for now, I'm gonna wrap it up here, and don't forget to join my Discord, link in the description if you want to get in early on the early meme coins. Be finally once in your lifetime be an early investor, link in the description. And thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Love you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.